Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? I hope you're all fine and good. Today you will see in this video, lovely viewer, you will see in this video top stylish and trending modern landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas, attractive and trending unique home decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never इसको कट करके दोबारा ऑन कर मॉडर्न and trending landscaping ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So these are my favorite collections that
ये उड़ा के दोबारा
I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. Attractive and trending stylish landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas, gorgeous and stylish you will see in this video's modern landscaping designs, pebble stones ideas, rock stone designs. So viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish landscaping ideas. There is a huge variety of designs in this video till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video, so you will see new marvelous and stylish and trending landscaping ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So thank you so much guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy new all attractive and trending landscaping ideas. Marvelous and stylish and trending unique garden decorations ideas. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. You will see in this video the attractive and trending stylish landscaping designs. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching this video till the end. क्या किए
कुछ भी
You will see